Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Strings are one of the most important data types in Python, and mastering string manipulation will make you a better programmer. Today, I'll show you 10 must-know string techniques that will make your code cleaner, faster, and more efficient. Let's dive in. Trick 1. String concatenation. String concatenation is a common operation when working with text in Python. Most beginners tend to use the plus operator to combine multiple strings. Take a look at the first example on the screen. It works, but it's not the most efficient approach, especially when dealing with large amounts of text. A better way? Use the join method. As shown in the second example, join allows you to merge strings in a faster and more memory-efficient way. While both approaches produce the same output, the second method is significantly better in performance, especially when working with long strings or large datasets. Use join whenever possible for cleaner, faster, and more scalable Python code. Trick 2. Changing text case. Need to change text case quickly. Instead of manually modifying each letter, Python provides built-in methods that make it effortless. In the example on the screen, we convert a string to uppercase, lowercase, and title case using upper, lower, and title. Why is this useful? Upper ensures text is in all caps, great for standardizing data. Lower is perfect for case-insensitive comparisons. Title capitalizes each word, useful for proper names and headings. Trick 3. Removing unwanted spaces. Extra spaces can mess up your data, especially when processing user input or working with text files. In the example, notice how leading and trailing spaces can cause issues. The solution? Use strip to remove unnecessary spaces from both ends of a string. You can also use lstrip to remove spaces only from the left, rstrip to remove spaces only from the right. This is essential for cleaning data, improving search accuracy, and ensuring consistent formatting. Trick 4. Splitting and joining strings. Need to break a sentence into words? Instead of manually extracting substrings, Python makes it easy with split. In the first example, you can see how split automatically converts a sentence into a list of words. This is perfect for text processing, data parsing, or analyzing user input. Want to merge words back into a sentence? Use join, as shown in the second example. This method is fast, efficient, and extremely useful when working with structured text data like CSV files or log entries. Trick 5. Checking if a string contains a word. Instead of writing long conditional statements, Python allows you to check for a word in just one line. Look at the first example. It uses an if statement with the in keyword to check whether a word exists in a string. Why is this important? It's much cleaner and faster than looping through each character. It's great for searching text, filtering user input, or working with logs and large datasets. Whenever you need to check if a substring exists, use the in keyword for maximum efficiency. Trick 6. Replacing parts of a string. Need to modify text dynamically? Instead of using complex loops, Python's replace method makes it effortless. In the example, we replace Java with Python, instantly updating the text. Why is this useful? Quickly modify user inputs, database entries, or large text files. Great for censorship, filtering words, or generating dynamic content. Whenever you need to replace a word, phrase, or character, use replace for an easy and efficient solution. Trick 7. Finding the position of a substring. Want to find where a specific word appears in a sentence? Instead of manually searching, use find or index. In the example, find helps locate a word within a string. Find returns the position, index, of the first occurrence. If the word is not found, it returns -1, preventing errors. Why use this? Perfect for searching logs, extracting specific details, or checking user input. It's much faster than looping through characters manually. Need even stricter error handling? Use index method, but be careful. It throws an error if the word isn't found. Trick 8. Reversing a string. Want to quickly reverse a string? Instead of using loops or extra variables, Python has a simple trick. Look at the example on the screen. We use slicing :::-1 to reverse the string in just one line of code. Why is this helpful? Great for checking palindromes, words that read the same forward and backward. Useful when modifying text dynamically. Use this trick whenever you need to reverse characters efficiently without extra memory usage. Trick 9. Formatting strings. String concatenation can get messy. Instead of using multiple plus signs, use F strings for cleaner and more readable code. In the example, see how F strings embed variables directly inside the string. Why use F strings? Faster and more efficient than older methods like format or % formatting. Easier to read, especially when dealing with multiple variables. Use F strings whenever possible to keep your Python code clean, readable, and efficient. Trick 10. Counting occurrences of a substring. Want to count how often a word appears in a sentence? Instead of writing complex loops, just use count method. In the example, see how count Python instantly returns the number of occurrences. Why is this useful? Perfect for text analysis, filtering logs, or processing large datasets. Great for tracking word frequency in articles or user inputs. Use count whenever you need to analyze word occurrences quickly and efficiently. And that's it! 10 essential string manipulation techniques in Python. These tricks will help you write cleaner, faster, and more efficient code. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding!